Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can delete payment method in Doordash. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.doordash.com. Once you do it, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do now is simply tap on the hamburger-like icon in the left-hand side of the corner. Once you do this, you will end up in this page where all you need to do is simply tap on the payment option. After you tap on the payment option, you will redirect it in this page where you need to now tap on any of the linked payment methods, and once you tap it in, you'll find three dots beside it where you can have the delete option. Simply follow the prompts and delete the payment method. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.